Hey, welcome back, YouTubers, friends of mine. My name is Ray with the Ray's Engines, and today I'm going to be discussing a wiring harness and dash and basically a Pro Street truck. I'm building an 84 C10 truck. We're going to build it as a Pro Street truck. I already started doing some of the disassembling, and I should have went ahead and showed you what it looked like before I removed the dash parts out of it and the wiring harness. But here we are with the painless wiring harness, which I just received today. And if you look at this is the old wiring harness that came out of the truck. You see this whole mess? Somebody chopped it all up, started cutting wires and trying to rig up some wires, and that's not a good thing. So we're going to get rid of this. That way we don't have any electrical problems. And then we're going to install this new painless wiring harness. I know this may be intimidating to some of you guys. You've probably never done something like this. I'm still debating if I should do an entire video of how to install this. I may do it in steps. For instance, in steps of the inside of the engine bay, and another step of the dash, underneath the dash, and so on. This is a whole entire wiring harness that comes with basically everything. This is a painless. I know they call it painless, but it may be painful for some of you guys. And here's the entire book. This is an instruction book. It's a massive book, very thick. I usually don't use these. I don't use the book. I just go with the wiring harness. And the reason why is because these are labeled. If you walk up here, you'll be able to see. For instance, I'm not sure if you can actually get to that, but that's the left power window. See, it's labeled all the way down the wiring. So you can actually just follow it and continue going with the wiring until you connect it to where it needs to go. This is a 28 wiring harness. It comes with power windows, power locks, air conditioner, electric fan, fuel pump, and so on. This is one of the best ones that you can go out there and purchase. I also did get a gauge cluster for this one. This is what's going to go in this one. This is a fiber, carbon fiber, and we're going to have massive gauges that go in there, just like that. So as soon as I get this assembled together, I'll do another video showing you how to connect this inside the Pro Street truck. This is going to be a nice Pro Street truck. It still needs to get a new paint job in it as well. But we're going to go ahead and probably do a step-by-step on this installation of the wiring harness. So if you walk up this way, I want to show you the inside of the truck. And that way you can actually see what it looks like on the inside right now before I start working on it. As you can see already, the top of the dash has been taken out. The gauge cluster has been taken out. All the entire wiring has been taken out. It doesn't have carpet or anything at this time. And I will be installing a sound deadener on the floor board, and I'll show you how to do that as well. And then I'll install the wiring harness above the sound deadener and then the carpet. If you just look in here, you'll see it does look like a mess, but before you know it, it's going to be an awesome, nice, beautiful truck. Nice sounding. It's got a big block in it now. I just installed it, and I'll show you that here in a second. If you want to just walk up here and show this area so that way they can get a good look of it. And as you can see, it does need work. It doesn't have anything in it now. It does have the tilt steering column, which is nice. I am going to put a floor shifter on it, so I'm going to take that shifter on top of the steering wheel off. And then let me go ahead and just show you the engine bay now. We'll go ahead and see how that engine bay looks. It will look nicer than what it does now. Right now it has a big block 468 in it. I know some of you guys probably saying, why didn't you go with the 572, 632? Now that might be down later on in the line. This is a 468. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a whole front air conditioner accessory system, serpentine system. And I'm still debating if I want to do a Pro Charger or if I want to just do the serpentine system. I'll let you know when I decide on that. I'm gonna put aluminum radiator, electric fans, and on this side, if you look on the back of the firewall. I already removed the old air conditioner heater system out of it because I'm going to install a vintage air system in it. Like I said, if you vote on it and just give me a thumbs up and let me know if you rather see a Pro Charger build, I'll show you how to install a Pro Charger build, and we'll go that route. You're not going to see any wiring in here. I know right now it looks like a mess. You're not going to see, all the wiring is going to be hidden. As I'm installing the wiring, it's going to be completely hidden. You're not going to see no wires at all. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button and share this video as you join me on this Pro Street build, big block engine. I'm going to put some fat tires in the back as well. We'll set this one up real nice and you'll get to hear it. Right now it is wired up to fire up, but I got to go get some fuel and then we'll fire it up on the next video. Like I said, let me know if you'd like to see a Pro Charger on here. I'll go ahead and put a Pro Charger instead. And we'll go from there. But share this video with others and join me on the Pro Street build. Thanks for watching.